Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
Gardening, and people find this all the time, gardening is an empowering action. You know, it's something that improves all areas of the life, and that's why it's often a favorite pastime throughout all generations of time. There's been this favorite pastime of getting out and being outdoors, especially creating something in the garden.
And you don't have to wait to harvest to start getting the benefits. I mean, immediately as you start putting your hands in the soil and get out there and do it barefoot.
Yeah, there you go.
Maybe not if you're using the rototiller. Wait till after that to get barefoot, but just out there with your hands in the dirt and the soil and grounding. There is something there that nature starts healing us with immediately.
It does, and just being out in the sunshine. I mean, that's a trending topic right now out there in the health world, is getting your sun. Your daily sun. If you want better sleep, get outdoors, get in the sun, at least 10 minutes, especially if it's before 10 a.m. They say it's even the better sun is before 10 a.m. And if you're out moving and you're out in the sun, not just baking in it, you're out moving and doing something.
Sun tanning doesn't count.
No, it does count. I mean, it does fit. That does fit the mod. And people are out doing yoga. That's another big thing. Get out and doing some yoga outdoors. I mean, the goat yoga. We've chatted about and joked about goat yoga before, but just yoga outdoors has a greater effect than yoga indoors. And it's in your garden, your space, your creation. And it's another way to kind of own the predictability of your future.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.